Maybe a toy also. This toy will do. Alright. Well, I'm off. I'm going to the nail salon. I almost forgot to tell him. I'm gonna be going to the nail salon for an hour, so take care of Ella. What? You're going where? The nail salon. Now, bye. Okay. I should probably just fall asleep. Are you kidding me? Oh, maybe she's just hungry. Ew, what's that smell? Is there like a skunk outside? Ugh, whatever. Here, are you hungry? How do I use this? Oh, like I open it and then you stay there. Pretty sure that's how it goes. Alright. Here, play. Wrong parent. What's this? Uh-oh. Okay. What do I need? What do I need? Baby powder? No. Whatever. Lotion? I don't know. Toy? Yeah, sure, whatever. What's this over here? Oh, her bottle. Perfect. Here, take your bottle. Drink, I guess. Take the toy. Ugh. What do you need? Oh my gosh, and it's sitting so bad in your room. No spray. Oh, diapers. Oh, you probably pooped here. I don't really know how to take care of you when you do this stuff. So, I'm just gonna take you in your stroller. Yeah, go in there. Let me just grab a toy. That, blah, 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 blah. And, this will be fine. Make room in there. Nail salon. I'm pretty sure that's what your mom said. Not sure, but we're going. Maybe it was the salon. No, nail salon. Uh-oh. Gosh, dumb baby powder. Oh, where's that baby bag? Where did I leave it? Oh! I don't know when that got there, but whatever. Alright, now we can go. Oh, there she is. Excuse me. Sorry, there's a line here. I'm not trying to get my nails done. Hey, it's a line. I'm not trying to get my nails done. Excuse me. What are you doing here? Well, I don't know what to do. Ella is really stinky, like a skunk. Ew, in my nail salon? Why would you bring that in here? please get out with your child. But what do I do? Just change her diaper. I don't know how. Learn then. Alright, you're done. Really? Alright, well, thank you. No problem. Wait for me. Weird people. Anyways, I would like some type of shimmer. This one. Oh yeah, perfect. I always change the diapers, and that baby looked at least 3 or 4. I don't know, that's not even a baby. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Luckily, my husband always changed the diapers because he actually knows how. You know what? I think I'll just wait in the car with you. It's not like we need to sit here and wait for your grandma. I'm tired. Oh, we have to wait. Alright, I think we should potty train this kid. What? How are we gonna potty train her? I don't know. Figure it out. I'm going to work. Are you kidding me? What a bad father. We don't even really need a potty train her, so I'll just change her diaper. Whoa, wait. Potty train her. You can do it yourself. Since I'm not doing it. You know what, fine, I will do it myself. Okay, I don't really care. Whatever. Alright. Oops, maybe not here. Uh-oh. How do I... Ew! Ugh. This is gross. How do I take this off? Ew. I can't believe you did that. Ugh, there's poop all over in this. Anyways, I don't know how I'm supposed to potty train her. Well, I don't know. I'm not going in there. It stinks way too bad. She's too tiny for the toilet. She's about to fall in. Not my problem. Maybe we should give her a lollipop when she poops on the toilet. Alright, I got the lollipop. How did you already get that? Well, I was gonna eat it, but... okay. Well, now we wait. What? What? She did it! Oh, I guess you can have this lollipop. Kind of want it. Alright, let's flush this. That was pretty easy. Now here, you can have your lollipop. Lollipop. It actually wasn't pretty easy. Now I'm gonna go take a nap. You can also take a nap. Lollipop! I'll finish it for you. I know you're probably full. Don't worry. Yes, my lollipop. I've been waiting to eat you. Yummy, yummy, yum.